How to avoid loss in cryptocurrencies. Welcome to my channel. To avoid losses in cryptocurrencies, practice cautious decision-making. Conduct thorough research before investing, understanding the projects, teams, and market trends. Diversify your investments across different cryptocurrencies and asset classes. Implement risk management strategies such as setting stop-loss orders and taking profits. Be wary of scams and fraudulent schemes. Only invest money you can afford to lose and avoid emotional decision-making. Stay updated on market developments and consult with professionals or experienced investors for advice. Remember that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and careful planning and informed choices are crucial to safeguarding your investments. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Number 10. Seek professional advice. Seeking professional advice is a critical step in avoiding losses in cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency markets are complex and highly volatile, making them risky for inexperienced investors. Consulting with a qualified financial advisor or cryptocurrency expert can provide valuable insights and help you make informed decisions based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Professionals can offer personalized strategies, portfolio diversification recommendations, and risk management techniques to mitigate potential losses. They can also keep you updated on regulatory changes and market trends, helping you stay ahead of potential risks. Remember that cryptocurrencies are speculative investments, and professional advice can provide a level of expertise and guidance that is crucial in navigating this ever-evolving and challenging market. Number 9. Take profits. Taking profits is a prudent strategy to avoid potential losses in cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile, and prices can fluctuate significantly in short periods. When an investment performs well and reaches your target profit level, consider selling a portion of your holdings to lock in gains. This approach helps safeguard your initial investment and allows you to realize returns even if the market later experiences a downturn. Implementing profit-taking regularly can be especially useful when the market experiences rapid price increases, as it prevents overexposure to potential corrections. However, it's essential to strike a balance and not sell all your holdings, as cryptocurrencies can also experience significant long-term growth. Consider setting profit-taking levels based on your investment goals and risk appetite, and reassess periodically to make informed decisions. Number 8. Be wary of scams. Being wary of scams is crucial to avoid loss in cryptocurrencies. The crypto space is not immune to fraudulent schemes and scams that prey on unsuspecting investors. Exercise caution when dealing with unknown individuals or platforms promising unrealistic returns or requiring private keys or passwords. Verify the legitimacy of any cryptocurrency project or investment opportunity by conducting thorough research and seeking information from reputable sources. Avoid sharing sensitive information or sending funds to unknown addresses. Be cautious of phishing attempts through emails or social media, and always double-check URLs before providing any personal information. Staying vigilant and skeptical can protect you from falling victim to scams and help you make safer and more informed decisions in the crypto market. Number 7. Use secure wallets. Using secure wallets is essential to avoid loss in cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency wallets store your private keys, which are necessary to access and manage your digital assets. Opt for reputable wallets with strong security features, such as hardware wallets or well-established software wallets with two-factor authentication. Avoid leaving significant amounts of cryptocurrency on exchanges, as they are susceptible to hacking and theft. Regularly update your wallet software and keep backups of your private keys in secure, offline locations. Avoid sharing your private keys with anyone, and be cautious of phishing attempts or malware that can compromise your wallet's security. By using secure wallets, you enhance the safety of your cryptocurrency holdings and protect them from potential cyber threats and losses. Number 6. Avoid FOMO and FUD. Avoiding FOMO, fear of missing out, and FUD, fear, uncertainty, doubt, is vital to prevent losses in cryptocurrencies. FOMO can lead to impulsive decisions to invest in rising markets, potentially buying at inflated prices and risking losses when prices correct. Similarly, FUD can cause panic selling during market downturns, resulting in significant losses. Stick to a well-thought-out investment plan and set clear goals. Avoid making drastic changes to your portfolio based on short-term market fluctuations. Stay rational, patient, and disciplined in your approach to cryptocurrency investments, which can help you navigate the volatile market and minimize the risk of losses. Number 5. Stay updated. Staying updated is crucial to avoid losses in cryptocurrencies. The cryptocurrency market is highly dynamic, with constant developments, news, and regulatory changes impacting prices. Keep track of reputable news sources, industry updates, and social media channels related to cryptocurrencies. Be aware of any upcoming events, partnerships, or technological advancements that may affect the market. Regularly review your investment portfolio and adjust your strategies based on changing market conditions. Understanding market trends, price movements, and investor sentiment can help you make informed decisions and minimize the risk of losses. Being well-informed allows you to stay ahead of potential risks and identify opportunities for growth in the ever-evolving cryptocurrency landscape. Number 4. Invest only what you can afford to lose. Investing only what you can afford to lose is a fundamental rule to avoid significant losses in cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile and unpredictable, and prices can fluctuate rapidly. By allocating funds that you are comfortable parting with, you protect yourself from financial hardship in case of adverse market conditions. Avoid borrowing money or using essential funds for crypto investments. Instead, consider setting aside a small portion of your disposable income for speculative investments. Diversify your investment portfolio to reduce risk, and never put all your eggs in one basket. By following these principles, you can participate in cryptocurrency markets responsibly, ensuring that potential losses are manageable and do not disrupt your overall financial stability and well-being. Number 3. Set stop-loss orders. Setting stop-loss orders is a valuable risk management strategy to avoid significant losses in cryptocurrencies. A stop-loss order instructs your exchange to automatically sell a cryptocurrency when its price reaches a predetermined level below the current market price. This helps limit potential losses if the market suddenly turns against your position. By setting stop-loss orders, you establish a clear exit point in case the market experiences a sharp decline, preventing emotional decision-making and potential panic selling. Finding a balance between risk tolerance and safeguarding your investments with stop-loss orders can help protect your capital and promote more disciplined trading practices. Number 2. Diversify. Diversifying your cryptocurrency investments is a prudent approach to minimize the risk of losses. Instead of putting all your funds into a single cryptocurrency, spread your investments across different coins and tokens. Diversification reduces your exposure to the price fluctuations of any one asset, as different cryptocurrencies may perform differently under various market conditions. Consider investing in cryptocurrencies with varying use cases, technology, and market capitalizations to create a balanced and resilient portfolio. Diversification can help protect your portfolio from sudden market downturns and provide a more stable and sustainable approach to navigating the often volatile world of cryptocurrencies. Number 1. Do your research. Doing thorough research is essential to avoid losses in cryptocurrencies. Understand the fundamentals of the cryptocurrencies you plan to invest in, including their technology, use case, team, and community support. Investigate the project's development progress, partnerships, and any potential regulatory implications. Be cautious of get-rich-quick schemes or investments that promise unrealistic returns. Stay informed about market trends, news, and developments that can impact cryptocurrency prices. Utilize reputable sources, such as official project websites, white papers, and industry news outlets, to gather information. Engage in discussions with the crypto community and seek advice from experienced investors. By arming yourself with knowledge and making informed decisions, you can avoid falling victim to scams or investing in projects with little substance, ultimately protecting yourself from potential losses in the volatile world of cryptocurrencies. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.